between me and Opio Wandai, Honorable Kenchonga, and Amina Munyaji. The four of us maliciously damaged the windscreen of this vehicle, KB, which is about 20 years old. And the cost of that windscreen was $1 million. That's surprisingly, as you can see, whether that is true or not true, you are the best judge. And that is why I believe they stopped the charges. Mr. Speaker and honorable members, allow me to mention that the Azimio coalition agreed to a bipartisan talks with a sizable demands. Among them, lower the cost of living, audit IB servers, policy and institutional reforms to strengthen and improve the electoral system, among others. If these bipartisan talks with the government do not work, or if they do not listen to our demands, then we shall have no alternative but to call for massacre. We shall go back to the trenches na mazungumzo kama yanaendelea, pia vile maandamano yataenda sambamba. Mr. Speaker and honorable members, back to the county assembly matters. Considering debating and approving bills concerning counties. 19. And exercises oversight over national revenue allocation in the oversight of the state offices by considering and determining in accordance with Article 145 of the Constitution.